Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about how to turn on your PC without a power button. So first up, we have the simplest and safest method is using the power button pins on your motherboard. Every motherboard has a set of front panel header pins that include one for the power button. To power on the PC without the button, all you need is to briefly short these two pins. So just find the power underscore switch SW pins on your motherboard. They're usually labeled on the board itself. Grab a screwdriver or use something conductive like a metal paperclip. After that, just briefly touch both pins with the metal and your PC should power on. Next, if your motherboard supports it, you can turn your PC on by using a USB keyboard. Some modern motherboards come with a feature called Wake On Keyboard or Power On by Keyboard. Show BIOS settings and where to enable. To enable this feature, you need to go into your BIOS, so reboot the system, and while it's booting up, press the BIOS key, usually the F2, delete or escape depending on your motherboard. Once inside the BIOS, look for the power settings and enable the Power On by Keyboard or Wake On Keyboard option. And that's it. Two different ways to turn on your PC without using the power button. Whether you're troubleshooting or experimenting, these methods will help you to get your system up and running. If you found this video helpful, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course hit the bell to not miss new videos, guys. Thanks for watching.